Integrating GitLab with Jenkins streamlines CI/CD processes, enabling automatic build and deployment pipelines triggered by GitLab events. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install GitLab plugin in Jenkins. Open Jenkins and navigate to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. Go to the Available tab, search for GitLab plugin and install it. Restart Jenkins if prompted. Configure GitLab integration. In Jenkins, go to Manage Jenkins, Configure System. Scroll to the GitLab section and add a new GitLab connection. Enter your GitLab server URL and an access token. Generate an access token from GitLab under User Settings, Access Tokens. Set up a Jenkins job. Create a new Jenkins job by selecting New Item and choose Freestyle Project or Pipeline. In the job configuration, go to the Source Code Management section, select Git and enter your GitLab repository URL. Provide credentials if required. Configure GitLab webhook. In GitLab, navigate to your project settings, webhooks. Add the webhook URL pointing to the following. Configure it to trigger on push events or merge requests. Test the integration. Make a change in your GitLab repository to trigger the webhook. Verify that Jenkins picks up the change and starts the build process.